Ensure that there's no attempt on behalf of the UK government to repatriate powers from the EU and to keep what are legitimately areas of Welsh Government competence in London.
Coming down the track, it is imperative that we here in the National Assembly for Wales do not allow uncertainty in Wales' devolution settlement to offer any opportunity for the UK Government to retain powers in London that should rightly be repatriated to Wales once the United Kingdom leaves the European Union.
Caniatáu yn rhwydd I Gymru gael y pwerau o Fryssel I ni'n haeddu cael ac sydd yn hawl I ni.
Ensuring that the powers that the Welsh Assembly has are enshrined in law, so that we can enter the discussions and negotiations about Brexit full in that knowledge that we have these powers.